Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a quick haul video from what I got from yesterday's thrifting trip. So if you guys want to see that video, I'm going to have it linked right there and down below in the description box as well. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, and you love vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button to be notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, and just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. And a couple of these items are going to be up in the shop if anyone's interested, so go check it out if you guys are. Okay, so I didn't really get too many things from that trip, but I think I got some pretty great stuff. First of all, I did get this really cute gold watering can. I am kind of obsessed with it. It has a couple little dings, but honestly, I'm not too bothered by it. I still think it's a beauty. It's from CB2, which is super cool. So I has the original CB2 sticker on the bottom. This guy was $7.99. And yeah, I really like it. I think it's I've been looking for a gold watering can, and this one fits the bill. I love the shape, I love the silhouette, I love the color. Everything about it is perfection, so I'm very happy that I waited to find one at the thrift store, because I almost bought a bunch of other ones, but I really wanted a gold one and in a cool shape. So this one is perfect. This is also really cute. You can put flowers in here. Just use it decoratively. There's so many options for something like this that it's pretty much limitless. So there's so many things that you can do with these things, and I'm very excited to finally have found one. There's that. Then the next thing that I'm really excited about also, because I've actually been looking at this thing for a hot second, and I actually forgot about it, and then I saw it again and it was on sale. So it's this beautiful baking dish thing. Don't exactly know what it's called. I'm gonna have to ask mom, but she's gonna be very excited because she doesn't know I bought this yet, and I can't wait to show it to her. And it is this beautiful Emile Henry piece right there. These are sold at Williams-Sonoma, and I think also Sur La Table. They are pretty pricey, and they're comparable to brands such as Le Creuset and Pampered Chef. And I this color is stunning. This is my favorite shade of yellow. I'm pretty obsessed with it, and I cannot wait to have mom try it out. It was $9.99, but the color of the day was purple, so it's always important to check what colors are on sale. I honestly forgot that the purple was the color of the day, even though I usually always check when I walk into the store. Pleasantly surprised when I walked up there because it was only $10. So I was like, you know what, today's the day I'm gonna buy it. I just got it. 10 bucks, what, or $5, what a deal. So compared to, this is probably $50, $60. That's probably how much it costs at the store. So beautiful, exciting, very fun. Set that down there. Then the next item that I have here is, this one was another pretty cool find, and it is a brand new Kipling Satchel. And it's in a khaki, but it has iridescent threads in it as well, so it's shiny and shimmery. So of course I love that. It was originally from Macy's. It still has the Macy's tag on it. It doesn't have a price. No, it doesn't have a price anywhere. But look at this, still has a cute little monkey as well. And the monkey's name, I know apparently each of them has a different name, and I did not know that. This one's name is Lisbeth. So that's fun. And yeah, what else can I say? The Kipling little bags are just so cute. They're so nice, lightweight. Mom has a pretty good collection of these actually. And this one is, again, brand new condition. Still has the tags. And I got this baby for $6.99, which is such a steal. And yeah, what else can I say? I'm very excited to have this. This is gonna go up in the shop. I know I got a couple of Kipling fans out there as well, so this one is a great one. So put it down there. Ooh, okay, so this is really cool because I took a chance on it because I wasn't sure if it was gonna work. But it is an item that was from Target, and it was only $20. But I did end up getting this electronic scooter. It's like a kid scooter. It goes at 6 miles per hour, I think is the maximum speed. And you can use it for up to 6 miles, which is really cool as well. So yeah, I had to get it. We actually charged it up today. It's sitting outside right now charging, and it actually works. Kate and my sister tried it out, and I'm pleasantly surprised. So I almost thought that it wasn't working. I thought one of the screws was missing, but we found it was like in the bottom of the box. So yeah, super fun. This brand is called Jetson Neo Kids Electronic Light Up Scooter. They actually retail for I think $120 on Target, or on Target.com when I found it, and $20, you guys. What a deal! The thing was the box was damaged and all that, but I don't know. I'm pretty excited that it works. So Cade and Zach are really excited to try it. Eliza's a little too small to use it still, although I know he'll want to. He already expressed wanting to use it earlier, but yeah, so sorry Eliza, it's still too little. Last but not least, I was really excited for this. Shall I show you? So this is a Balenciaga satchel. It's like a crossbody flap bag. It's so stinking cute. I don't know, these are like water marks or something on it. I don't know if I can get it out. I'm not too sure. Maybe if I condition the whole thing, I'm not certain. Here's the interior. This is Balenciaga right there. The little serial number and everything as well. It has the lamppost zippers, and this guy was $12.99. Like, I haven't found anything really cool at this store, like in handbag wise, in quite some time. So finding this was a treat. I'm not 100% certain that it's authentic. Pretty much the signs say yes, but I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research on this one, and we will see, because I do have an authentic one of these bags, and it's in a navy like suede, but it doesn't have a magnetic thing on it, so I don't know if that's like gonna be the giveaway for it, or I don't know, but everything else looks pretty good. It has the right zippers. The rings are like a continuous circular piece with no breaks in it. The hardware looks good. This looks good. Even like the black stitching, this is one thing to look for too. A lot of people ask. Even though the fakes, like sometimes they have these too, but you can see the regular stitching for the tag is the same color as the leather, but across the top it should always be black. But I don't know. I'm still not 100% certain, so I will have to check it out. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. We'll start a discussion on whether or not is this Balenciaga bag authentic. Who knows? We will see. But that is pretty much gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun sharing with you guys what I ended up getting. It's always such a treat to be able to share thrifting with you guys, because it has just made such a huge like impact and change in my life, because of course without thrifting none of you guys would be here with me today. So I'm very, very excited. And also we hit 18,000 going strong in the Thrift Squad family, and I'm so excited about that. So thank you guys again so much for all of you that have been with me and through this whole thing. It's just been so much fun, and I am thankful every single day for each and every one of you guys. So thank you for that from the bottom of my heart. And with that being said, I will see you guys later. Don't forget to check out this morning's or this afternoon's vlog. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye! I'll see you guys. This is like